What's up, guys? It's Hendy Built Performance here on a nice Saturday morning. It's a bit chilly, but it's not too bad. I'm here at my buddy's shop, and I'm gonna be unveiling the Honda Civic. How to work this thing. I got my Honda Civic under here, under this cover, and you'll see why there's a cover on it soon enough. But she's a bit beat up. And I got my Jetta over here under a cover as well. And that's just gonna stay how it is. Today we're gonna be working on the Honda. I'm gonna get it untarped, and I've got some parts in the car. And we're gonna see what I can get done. So I'll try to take videos going on with everything that I'm doing. I'm gonna try my best, and I'm just gonna piece all this together and make a video. So let's get into it. Guys, I got the hood open. I'm going to reveal to you the engine that is inside the Honda Civic. What do we have here? That ain't no D series. That's a freaking B series, son. But it's a B16. B16A. Yep, it's been engine swapped with a B16A, and it does have a B16 VTEC head. And I have confirmed that it works, but it doesn't like to work for very long. So I still gotta diagnose that. That's probably super freaking dangerous. This car was in a little accident. It's alright. But it's pretty clean in here. It's not terrible. The front core support and everything was there, but it was all rusty and kind of falling apart, and so I actually drilled out the whole front core support and took it off, and it looks like that frame took a little bit of a beating, maybe. Oh, this one definitely did. Oh. Hope it's alright, dude. I ain't no frame straightener. I'm just using my eyes. I hope it's alright. Dang. Is that twisted? I mean, there's definitely some sketchy stuff going on here, but I'm gonna try to fix it. Well, it's hard to compare the other side with this side. Oh God, don't even look at that. But I don't know, man. I hope it's still straight. if it isn't straight, I already got another Honda Civic ready. So let's see what I can get into. Alright, I decided I'm just gonna start taking things apart on the front end because there's stuff laying around all smashed up and broken, and it's like, just get this stuff out of my way. Alright, so I'm gonna get stuff out of my way right now. Let's get to it. The radiator's off. I was just taking off some extra parts off of it. I like to take off as much as I can and keep whatever I can. So that's junk. I'm kind of keeping the fan, like, just in case, but I have electric fans, so that'll probably be alright. Thinking I'm probably gonna start undoing the wiring, getting it out of the way. Because it all needs to be gone over. It's just, there's just stuff everywhere. And this freaking mount is cracked. Right there. Totally cracked. And then I also noticed, no gap, no gap, no gap, gap. Bolt, probably not tight, but there's a gap there. Big old gap. No gap. Big gap. So, probably need to tighten bell housing bolts. But I'm just going to keep working my way back and cleaning this up. Yeah. that's not the right size. Alright, right size. This isn't junk. It just wasn't adjusted properly and it needs to come off because now I'm thinking I'm taking this whole thing out. Let's go video this. This goes to the battery. Okay. This one goes to the harness down here. Alright. Alright guys, I had emergency kinda, had to go take care of something for my buddy, so had to get his dog taken care of. So I had to leave the car and pack up my tools, and so I cleaned up everything around here, and I was hoping I was gonna make it back to do more work to it, but it's later in the day now, and I was running around doing a bunch of other stuff just to get organized with all my cars and all the parts and everything I got. So this is where we're at right now. So I cleaned up, got some stuff out of my way, then take boots off, radiators out of the way, AC lines are out of the way. Got the wiring over to the side. And just kind of need to get the rest of the wiring unhooked back here, figure out where it's all going, and probably run it back into the car and then work on it, and probably take the whole engine and trans out and just refresh the whole thing. Put some better goodies on here, but yep, I think that's gonna do it. That is gonna do it for this video. I guess I'm just gonna do updates and just keep on progressing with the car. I'd like it to be like, oh yeah, I pulled the whole wiring out and everything kind of video, but nope, it's just gonna do a little bit here and there and get it figured out and situated. Thanks, this is Hendy Built Performance. See you on the next one.